Imagine a world where age is just a number, and the ravages of time are a thing of the past. This is a notion that has captivated the human imagination for centuries. From the legendary tales of Ponce de Leon's relentless pursuit of the mythical fountain of youth, to the modern laboratories brimming with scientists seeking to unravel the mysteries of our biological clock, our collective desire for eternal youth has been a constant throughout history. It's a reflection of our innate yearning for vitality, for longevity, for an existence unfettered by the inevitable march of time. If presented with the opportunity, would you choose to live forever young? Would you drink from that metaphorical fountain, knowing that with each sip, you're defying nature's design? Intriguing, isn't it? Stay with us as we delve into the intriguing world of anti-aging and explore the secrets to longevity. Renowned experts in the field of anti-aging have spent years studying this fascinating topic. They've delved deep into the mysteries of our biological clock, attempting to unravel the secrets of longevity and improved quality of life in our later years. Take, for instance, Dr. Alexandra Stolzing, a world-class gerontologist. She's been working tirelessly on understanding the aging process at a cellular level. Dr. Stolzing suggests that cellular senescence, or the natural aging of our cells, is not as inevitable as once believed. Imagine a future where we could rejuvenate our cells, turning back the hands of time. And then there's Dr. Nir Barzilai, a leading geneticist who's been studying the genes of centenarians. He's found that certain genetic traits are common among those who live to be 100 and beyond. He believes that understanding these genetic factors could pave the way for therapies that could extend our lifespan and improve our health in old age. But it isn't just about living longer. As Dr. Aubrey de Grey, a renowned biomedical gerontologist, points out, we don't just want to hit a new high score on our age, we want to stay healthy, active, and vibrant for as long as possible. De Grey is a proponent of regenerative medicine, therapies that could repair the damage that aging does to our bodies. While these experts may have differing views on the best approach to anti-aging, they all agree on one thing: the potential for extending human lifespan and improving quality of life in old age is immense. They've seen promising results in their research, from slowed aging in lab animals to improved health in older adults. As we explore the cutting edge of anti-aging science, we're discovering that the fountain of youth might not be a myth after all. It may not be a single magic potion, but a complex mix of genetics, regenerative medicine, and understanding our own biology. As we can see, the science of anti-aging is as complex as it is fascinating. As we continue our journey into the realm of anti-aging, let's keep in mind that the goal isn't just to live longer, but to live better. Now let's delve into the science behind anti-aging. In the quest for longevity, scientists are making significant strides in understanding the biological processes that lead to aging. They have discovered that the key to slowing, stopping, or even reversing aging lies deep within our cells. To be specific, it's all about our genes and chromosomes. Our chromosomes are capped by protective structures called telomeres. Picture them like the plastic tips on your shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. Every time our cells divide, these telomeres shorten. When they get too short, our cells can no longer divide and become inactive or die. This is a natural process that occurs as we age. But here's where it gets interesting. Researchers have found that by activating an enzyme called telomerase, we could potentially lengthen telomeres, slowing down the aging process. Another exciting area of research is in the field of senescence, or cellular aging. Senescent cells are essentially zombie cells that no longer function properly, but also refuse to die. They accumulate over time, causing damage to surrounding cells and contributing to aging and diseases. Scientists have developed drugs, known as senolytics, that can selectively kill these senescent cells, which could potentially lead to healthier, longer lives. And then there's the revolutionary science of gene editing. Techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 allow us to directly modify our DNA. By switching off certain aging genes and switching on youth genes, we might be able to control our biological age. However, it's important to remember that aging is a complex process with many contributing factors. While these discoveries are promising, they are just pieces of a much larger puzzle. More research is needed to fully understand how these processes interact and how we can safely intervene. But one thing is clear: science is making remarkable progress in unraveling the mysteries of aging. With every breakthrough, we get one step closer to understanding how to extend our health span, the period of our lives spent in good health. These scientific advancements may be the first steps towards making the dream of eternal youth a reality. But with great potential comes great responsibility. And so, as we delve deeper into the world of anti-aging, we must also grapple with the ethical implications that come with it. The possibility of significantly extending our lifespan is not just a scientific question, but an ethical one too. Imagine for a moment a world where aging is no longer a concern, a world where 100 years old is the new 30. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But let's not forget, every coin has two sides. For starters, let's think about population growth and resources. Our planet is already stretched thin, trying to accommodate over 7 billion people. If we all start living 2 or 3 times longer, how will we manage? Will there be enough resources to go around? Then there's the question of social inequality. Anti-aging treatments, at least initially, will likely be expensive and out of reach for many. This could lead to a world where the rich get to enjoy extended lifespans while the poor continue to age and die. This disparity could further widen the gap between the haves and the have-nots, creating a new form of inequality based on age. Moreover, what about the natural cycle of life and death? Aging and death, as painful as they may be, are a part of life. They give meaning to our existence, drive us to achieve, and make room for new generations. By disrupting this cycle, could we be robbing life of its essence? On the other hand, proponents argue that anti-aging research could lead to treatments for age-related diseases, improving the quality of life for millions. They also point out that ethical concerns have accompanied every major scientific breakthrough, from the discovery of antibiotics to the development of the internet. And yet, society has found ways to adapt and benefit from these advancements. In conclusion, the ethical debate surrounding anti-aging is not just a sideshow. It's a crucial part of the conversation that needs to be had. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary scientific breakthroughs, we must also consider the societal impacts of these developments. The ethical debate surrounding anti-aging is as important as the scientific breakthroughs themselves. So, where does the future of anti-aging lie? As we gaze into the crystal ball of what might be, it's clear that the future of anti-aging holds promise and potential, with a vast array of possibilities on the horizon. These range from the exciting to the almost unfathomable, each with its own implications for society and our understanding of what it means to age. Firstly, let's talk about the advancements in gene therapy. It's no secret that our DNA holds the keys to our biological clocks. Scientists are now exploring ways to manipulate these genetic codes to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Picture this, a world where wrinkles are a thing of the past, where gray hair is a choice, not an inevitability. Next, we have the potential of nanotechnology. Imagine a swarm of microscopic robots coursing through your veins, repairing damaged cells and tissues as they go. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction anymore. Researchers are diligently working on making this a reality, bringing us a step closer to a future where age-related diseases could be eradicated. And then there's the exciting field of biotechnology. Here, scientists are investigating the use of stem cells, regenerative medicine, and even 3D bioprinting to replace or rejuvenate aging tissues and organs. This could mean a future where organ failure due to age is no longer a death sentence, but a solvable problem. However, all these advancements don't come without their fair share of questions and concerns. What are the ethical implications of such a future? How will society adapt to a drastically increased lifespan? And what about the potential for inequality, where only those who can afford these technologies have access to them? Indeed, the future of anti-aging is as complex as it is exciting. It's a journey of discovery, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the human body and our ability to influence its natural processes. It's about redefining the concept of aging and challenging our perceptions of what it means to grow old. Only time will tell what the future holds for the field of anti-aging. The desire for eternal youth is as old as time itself. We've journeyed through history, listened to experts, delved into the science, and even debated the ethics of anti-aging, all in the pursuit of understanding this relentless quest for longevity. The science of anti-aging, while promising, is still evolving, yet it holds potential to drastically change our lives. Take a moment to ponder this. Imagine a world where aging is not a downhill slope, but a gentle plateau, where growing old takes on a whole new meaning. This is the future that anti-aging research is striving to create. A future where quality of life doesn't diminish with the passing years, but instead remains vibrant and fulfilling. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, remember that the search for longevity isn't just about extending our years, but enriching them. Whether the fountain of youth remains a myth or becomes a reality, the quest for longevity continues to captivate us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of anti-aging.